What's going on YouTube? Okay, this is what we got going on today, folks. Okay, we got a brand new engine kit sitting here. Tank factory 44.2. This is not my build. This is for a customer. Okay, it's all going on this Kent Bayside. Really nice bike. Okay. It's just all dropped off and delivered to me. Okay. This can be a tutorial, pretty much, if you're new to this, of how to build one. Okay. First and foremost, this is a wide mouth. This is a GT5 engine, guys. I'm going to tell you why I know this. This is not a Zeta. It's a Flying Horse from Bikeberry. Okay. It's got straight intake, speed carburetor, really high-end fuel filter out of the package. The guy didn't bring it to me separately. They come from Bikeberry. Everything is here. Everything is here. So we're going to get this on the roll. I done pulled this engine stud out. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to do all this. Okay. Let's set this camera up somewhere so you can see what I'm about to do. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this factory stud from this other side. All I'm doing is taking the factory nuts and we're going to butt nut against nut. If you try to pull these studs any other way, they break, they bend, they get stripped. You don't want to do that. Okay? You got 2 10s, take your 10 opening and a 10 socket, or boxed in, whatever you got. Or 2 open ends if that's what you got. Butt these nuts together. Okay? And then you could take this stud and spin it out. Okay. Comes out easy as pie now. And take your wrenches, reverse them, and you can pull your nuts off your stud, and your stud will come out of the engine. And I don't know if you can see it on video, but even from factory, it's bent. But that's that. That's how you do that. Okay, now on to the next part of it. Okay, let's find the other bag. Oh, goodies in it. Okay, this is the bag we need because we need the U-bolt and this plate. That's what you need. I don't see the bolts that belong to that engine. There should be short ones with this U-bolt and plate, but I see that there's not. So, since there's not, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our factory studs, okay, And see, they thread right in. So I know what I'm talking about here. We're going to take our factory studs, and yes, I know they're too long. That's okay. We're going to cut them. We're going to have to chop these. Not these studs, but someone like these. Okay? We're going to have to chop them to about yay long to make them butt into the engine up against this plate. And yes, they will be Loctited into the engine. Because just like I said, this is for customer. This is not mine. Okay? I was looking for the short ones, but I see that they're not here. But that's okay. That is a weird exhaust gasket. Just weird. Okay. And the reason I have to do this now is because once you get this into the bike, you're not going to be able to put this on the engine. So that's why you have to do all this now. So I'm going to pause this video, and when I get these cut to length, I'll be back. And if anybody's wondering what I'm going to cut this with, we're just going to use a plain old cutoff wheel for a Dremel and a Dremel. Right here in the vise. Okay? Be back soon. Okay, we're back, YouTube. I got to digging through one of my little parts bins, and I found these, which is from an engine kit, and they're the studs that go to this plate. So instead of chopping bolts and having to do all that other crazy stuff, I'm just going to use these. Okay? Make sure you're in focus. I might have to massage this hole a little bit. So it's looking like for this plate. Just a hair. It's just a hair off. Okay, well, if that fits, we'll put this here instead. Because in all actuality, this is supposed to go here. And the U-bolt's supposed to go here. And really, in all actuality, there's reasons for that. That's so it's easier for you to get the U-bolt in the... Yeah, see, that's not going to go. You're just going to strip the threads. So it's got to be massaged back just a bit. Just a hair. yet. Try that and see what we get. Shouldn't take much. Yeah, see, it's still not right. Still not right. Almost. Almost. A little more. A little more massaging. Almost. Almost. I'm just about there, I think. I should just about do it. Come on. See, these are fitment issues everybody's going to have to deal with at some given point in time. And that's what I talk about in my other videos. Fitment of objects. Certain engines are different. You could buy 2 of these engine kits. They're not going to be the same. I don't care if they are from the same manufacturer. Better yet, you know what we're going to do. Make this real quick and simple. Dremel out. Get your carbide bit out.